Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn off ads campaigns notifications on the X app, also known as Twitter, when using your PC. The latest update has changed a few menu layouts, so if you've been trying to find where to disable those campaign alerts, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu bar on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Messages. From that list, click on Notifications. When you're inside the Notifications page, look toward the top right corner for the Settings option. Click on it to open your Notification Settings menu. Next, you'll see a section called Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune what types of notifications you want to receive. Select Preferences and then click on Push Notifications. In the Push Notifications page, scroll down until you find a category labeled X for Professionals. This area manages all the alerts that come from professional tools, including ads campaigns. Now, under that section, you'll see an option called Ads Campaigns. If the box next to it is checked, that means you're currently receiving notifications every time there's activity related to an ad campaign. To stop those alerts, simply uncheck the box next to Ads Campaigns. Once you do that, X will automatically save your changes, and you'll no longer get those pop-up notifications. And that's it. You've successfully turned off ads campaigns notifications on X. From now on, you can focus on what really matters without getting distracted by constant promotional updates. If you ever want to turn them back on, just repeat these steps and recheck the same box under X for Professionals. Thanks for watching.